for the wave.
I heard y'all was sleeping on me, but it's time to wake up. Wake up! The girls are about to turn it up.
We're doing our one legs right now. I fit with a couple of us, right? And yeah. Oh wait. Okay.
I'm basically.
I was just backspotting her.
Oh, you slipping.
No.
She said she got it.
Yes, you
Yes,
do.
how?
Sheena, so you're a bad kid.
Wait, like it's different. 7, 8, 1, 3, 5, 7. 1, 3, 5, 7. 1, 3, 5, 7. 1, 3, 5, 7. 1, 3, 5. Okay, cool. Bump down. 1, 2. That's all you know. Cool. Y'all got it. Popper. I'm fat and she like this. I'm sorry. Yeah, because I'm too fat. I just wanted to. So,
you talking to us?
when you're, what's the count for the foot coming in?
On one.
8, 1, 3, 5, 7. 1, 3, 5, 7. Up. 1, 3. Nope.
Oh Lord.
You doing?
Come down.
You doing the same thing. You going that way. You gotta stay up. If you looking at Kia, stay with Kia. You going over towards Coach Shelley. She doing what I probably would have done. I would have dropped too fast. Ready? Stay focused. You got it.
Destiny.
Ready? 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, 3, shimmy. 5, 7. 1, 3, 5, 7. 1, 3, 5, 7. 1, 3, 5, 7. 1, 8, 1, 3. Sorry. Ready? 1, 5, 7, and 1. 3, up, 5. 1, 2. Don't touch her shoulders. You go fast. Don't touch her shoulders. About some when you fly, you went from holding her hands to doing this. And that's putting more pressure on them. So don't do the shoulders. You still gotta stay connected. Keep your arms out. Ready?
So you need to scoot back more then?
I mean, when y'all pop her, y'all do move forward. Y'all travel forward with the tuck pop. It's natural. Ready? 5, 6, 7, 8, 1. 5. That's 5.
If we need it like that, when you
I'm beside her. I'm over back here. I'm like, ready? How she gonna connect? 5, 6, 7, 8, 1. 3, 5, 7. 1, 3, 5, 7. 1, 3, 5, 7. 1, 3, 5, 7. In 1, 3, 5, 6, 7. Oh, your leg went out.
Down she goes.
All you doing, remember how you step? 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, 3, 5, 7. 1, 3, 5, 7, 1. Good. 3, better. 5, 7, 1, 3. How did you lean that? Get up! Manaxa! She got it. She got it. That's what I'm talking. I can't even pick her up because you got the camera in her face. Sorry. You got it? No, you got it. Yeah, here we go. I can't even say what I want to say. I want to see it to correct. But she is fire. Ready? Bro, I just wanted her to answer. All right, here we go. This looks like she's recording a fight or something. Don't lean forward. She said don't pull her. It's not a, what you're doing now, it's going to be quick. Yeah. You're doing this. And you're trying to control her, but you see how she moving, you're going to knock that out. You got to control yourself. It's us. You're a kid? You're a kid?
me, I'm over.
Okay. Don't pull her.
Kia said don't pull me.
Okay. That's what you was doing. Ready? 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, 3. Shimmer. 5, 7. 1, 3, 5, 7, 1, 3, 5, 7. Her ankle. 1. Her ankle. Her ankle.
What the skinny?
We're here.
So 1,
working on our pyramid a couple of days before the competition. It's getting tight. Yeah. We got it though. We got it. We're doing so good, guys. Look.
5, 7, like real quick. That's all.
Work on hard. Okay, you're in. I'm in? Yep, you're in.
Yes!
Oh my gosh, it's Destiny! Guys, that's our captain. That's our captain. Yep.
Ready? I don't think I'm losing weight. I don't like this feeling. Ready? What? Whole ankle. You gotta straighten your foot out. Your whole foot is like this. I can feel the whole foot in my hand like this.
Destiny's here, y'all.
She's like a little bit. You like this with your whole foot.
Coach Tati doesn't like the cameraman. She's not quite fond of the cameraman. That's alright. That's alright.
Ready? What happened? After this, 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, 3, 5, 7, 1, 3, 5, 7, 1, 3. Ooh.
I got you, kid. Come down.
About that one.
Ooh.
Can you just hurry up?
That wasn't it. Y'all, I'm telling you, we have preps, okay? We got preps. It's just that the aerodynamics and the physics, the area times pressure divided by speed and distance and time isn't really working right now. Go back to your step. Isn't really working right now, so we got it, you know. We're gonna win. We're gonna win. We're gonna win.
1, 3, 5, 7. 1, 3, 5, 7, 1, 3, 5, 7, 1. I like it.
Girl, you didn't.
Get that to you no more, cause you're not about to black my eye out. When I say ankle, I mean literally. You know how like the fire be like this a little bit? Oh no. The whole foot. You see when you go my ankle?
And I oop. Apparently she's leaning.
This is my Nasa show. Ready?
Let's go. Let's do this. Come on, y'all. You got this. Yeah, back squat. Yeah. Push through.
Ready? You need a nap? Ready? 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, 3, 5, 7, 1. Stand up. 3, 5, 7, 1, 3, 5, 7, 1, 3, 5, 7, 1, 3, 5, 7, 1, 3, bounce, 5, fast, 7. Good. Flower butt. That was good. That was perfect, bottom. The bottom was, yeah, I like that. Y'all was fast. Y'all killed that. Y'all ain't. I like that one. Them two right there, they must be sisters or something.
Yeah. Cause Shay doesn't like us guys. She's a hater.
I'm not light skinned.
So when you heel strength,
I said I'm not light
what I want you
skinned.
to do is when you heel strength, because you naturally do this, bring your hips in. Don't poke out, bring your hips in. If you feel like you back here, squeeze your butt. Okay?
You don't really care. But you know me, I do my part. She suck. Needs to know how to do her part. Because it don't be cooking.
For the little dance part.
Oh, it seems like we have some conflict going on between our base Mindy and our flyer Shelly. She says that she doesn't do her part. Oop.
I like where all four of y'all things.
It gets 2 points.
Ready? 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 3.
We have some tears in the room, guys. We have some tears in the room.
5, 7, 1, 3.
Anyways,
5, 3, 7, 1.
Shelly's crying, guys.
7, 1, 3, 5, Quick, 7. Good. 1, 2. Pretty far though. Y'all got it.
She has her kid.
No.
That was right.
It's not just her. When she tugging, that's
She feels, guys, we have some conflict. Shelly feels the, you know, defense.
Can you do it one more time and then we gonna get y'all water?
Really, her nose because she be this
She
close.
was so close. Back up the camera.
The defense, you know, she's crying. Mindy's mad at her, as you saw, as you heard.
3, 5, 7. 1, 3, 4.
Well, that was pretty, but it gets to a point. You know, it gets to a point. Okay.
Like, but I feel like I just stop it or
Hey.
Okay. Coach Shelly's is now off.
Hey. Hey.
No, not to don't record me, but my edges are lifting, and I had to
Really?
go fix my hair because
Your edges are lifting.
It's your bag.
She's gone a bit demonic on us. Wow. Whoa. You're supposed to stay still and you move and then you fall. So what was that you were saying?
Coach Shelly's ops because, or what I say about the stunt.
Yeah, what you said.
About the stunt.
Yeah.
So basically, I don't care because
3 seconds to drip down water.
Go ahead. Say what you were about to say.
Hey people, it's your favorite way.
Who just burped? Yeah. Let's go. Back on the mat. Back on the mat.
1.
Oh, she counted. See y'all later. Let's go. Let's go. Back on the mat. That's my turn? Yeah.
Now one time we want to dance.
Okay, come on, let's go.
We're gonna do an hour full out. 5, 6, 7, 8. All right, but y'all can put me up there. Come on.
whoa.
Whoa, what we not about to do?
Let's go, Shelly.
Go to the dance. She ain't here. Like that. She dancing with. Oh, she
She needs to know the dance too.
Go back to the dance. No. Go to the dance real quick. Okay. We go to 7 o'clock. Y'all got it. Can you come out? 'Cause you don't know it, right? So what?
Come this way.
Yeah, come to the front. Oh, she's right here.